Hi, I'm Dr. Gayatri Chaubal of Fairfax County Health Department, Public Health Dentist. At this time of the year, I do get a lot of questions from my patients regarding dental health and how they can enjoy their candy and sugary treats. So I'm here today to answer a few questions you have.
Why do we have to brush our teeth?
Regular toothbrushing and flossing is very important for both adults and children because it is the most effective tool in getting rid of the plaque and bacteria which are responsible for tooth decay and gum disease. Plaque is a soft, sticky film which forms over teeth over a period of time, and this plaque has millions of bacteria which are responsible for tooth decay. What the bacteria do is they act on the sugars in the food which we consume, and they break down these sugars and form acids. These acids break down or they attack the enamel, which is the outermost layer of the tooth, and make a hole or a cavity, which is dental decay. If this hole or cavity is left untreated, it worsens and it gets bigger.
Is it okay if I skip brushing my teeth for a day?
It is not okay to skip brushing your teeth for a day, because what happens is if you skip brushing for a day, dental plaque and bacteria form on your teeth. There's a buildup on your teeth, and this results in tooth decay and initiation of gum disease.
How long do I have to brush my teeth?
Currently, American Dental Association recommends brushing your teeth for 2 minutes 2 times a day, once in the morning and once before bedtime.
Why is so much candy bad for your teeth?
Too much candy can cause tooth decay. Sugar by itself does not create cavities, but we do have a lot of bacteria in our mouth. They're good and bad bacteria. So some of the bad bacteria would act on these sugars. When you consume candy, there'll be a lot of sugars. So these bad bacteria, they feed off these sugars, and what they produce are a lot of acids. So the more candy you eat, there's more acids produced, and these acids damage or they break down the outermost layer of your tooth, which is the enamel, and that's how cavities initiate or start forming.
Do I have to brush my teeth right after I eat a piece of candy?
It would be best not to brush immediately, but what I would recommend is that you rinse your mouth with water immediately after eating that piece of candy, and then wait for 30 minutes before brushing.
Is some candy worse for my teeth than others?
Yes, there are some candies you may want to avoid, like chewy, sticky, and sour candies. ADA recommends that they did a study and they recommend that chocolate washes off the teeth much faster than any of the other kinds of candies like caramel, lollipops, or any kind of taffies. So anything which is chewy and sticky, avoid those, and also the sour candies.
If I eat all of my candy, what should I do with it?
You should collect your candy, and the best way to go is to donate your candy. Now there are a lot of organizations which do collect candies, and you can find this information online. There's also a lot of local dentists who are doing a Halloween buyback, so you can check with the local dentist for this information.
Do you have any other dental health tips?
Yes, we do have a few tips, and what you can do is firstly choose a candy wisely. Make sure you don't avoid candy which is chewy, sticky, and sour. Try to eat candies during mealtime, and what this does is there's more saliva during meal times, and it washes away all the acids, so there's less damage to your teeth if you're eating a candy during meal times. Thirdly, drink plenty of water, so that water minimizes again the effect of these acids. Make sure candies are only a treat and don't make it a part of every meal.